The push-up is considered a staple to effective workout routines. It's simple yet effective for building strength. Sticking with doing push-ups on a daily basis can be a great way to boost your fitness level without needing to use any exercise equipment, pay for a gym membership, and use anything other than your own body weight to get results. One of the beauties of doing push-ups is that you can do them anywhere and at any time. However, nothing tops the health benefits of push-ups every day. Even though they may not be your favorite, they are among the most powerful exercises with maximum benefits. It is essentially an effective all-body exercise that can strengthen multiple muscle groups, including your chest, core, legs, arms, and shoulders. The effectiveness, no hassle, convenience, and benefits might explain why most people consider doing push-ups every day. Are you interested in learning about some of the many reasons why you should incorporate push-ups into your daily routine? We're here to help. In this video, we'll be discussing 6 benefits you will get from doing push-ups regularly. You may feel less stressed. Push-ups are not only excellent for building strength and definition in your pectoral muscles and triceps, they are a fantastic way to immediately reduce stress. The reason? Push-ups are a total body exercise demanding a large number of your muscles to fire at one time. Your body responds to that by increasing your heart rate for the purpose of rushing oxygen into your system. In addition, moderate amounts of exercise reduces levels of the body's stress hormones, such as adrenaline and cortisol. You can support your cardiovascular health. While primarily a way to build muscular strength, push-ups can also help to support your cardiovascular health. Remember, push-ups engage multiple muscles at once. This means your heart will need to work harder to pump enough blood and oxygen throughout your body. Doing push-ups also helps widen your capillaries. These are the blood vessels responsible for blood supply from your arteries to your body organ and tissues. In a nutshell, when your heart rate increases when doing push-ups, your body benefits in the following ways: reduced blood pressure, regulated insulin and blood sugar levels, reduced cancer and heart disease risk, lower body weight or maintenance of a healthy weight, improved core strength and stability. Since the classic push-up consists of placing hands on the floor and then using our arms, shoulders, chest, and back to lower our body weight and then blast on back up, it's pretty much a given that push-ups are associated with upper body strength. However, when done properly, the push-up is also an effective core workout. And while certain core moves focus primarily on the abs, a properly performed push-up targets some of the lesser-known muscles in your core, like transverse abdominis, the deepest core muscle that helps support your spine, multifidus, a series of small muscles that run along the spine, and others. You can strengthen your joints and bones. Push-ups don't only strengthen muscles, they also help to build your body's supportive structures. For instance, because push-ups involve movement at the elbows and shoulders, regular push-ups will help strengthen those joints over time. As a bodyweight workout, push-ups are also beneficial for building and maintaining the strength of your body's bone. However, it is important to increase the number of push-ups gradually to build up sufficient strength in the muscles. Overloading weak muscles can result in muscle and tendon injuries. Improved posture. Thanks to today's tech-tethered world, many of us spend our days with hunched shoulders and a rounded spine, hallmarks of poor posture. Push-ups, if done correctly, can help counteract this by teaching our bodies good positioning. While you may be primarily interested in improving your posture to improve your appearance, posture's importance reaches far beyond looks. Good posture has also been linked with fewer headaches, better digestion, and increased energy levels. Promotes burning of calories. Doing push-ups can also help you burn more calories, making you lose weight faster and safely. Since it uses a lot of energy and works multiple muscles in such a short duration, it makes you burn more calories. The more push-ups you do, the more calories you will burn. However, pay attention to the correct form of a push-up. If you do this exercise in the wrong form, you will injure yourself instead of burning calories. Again, work yourself up the ladder instead of doing so many push-ups in the bid of burning more calories. Potential risks to keep in mind. If you're recovering from a major injury, Talk to a physical therapist first before attempting push-ups. And if doing push-ups causes any sharp pain, or if you hear a popping sound that's accompanied by pain, stop immediately. Plus, while push-ups are a stellar exercise for building chest, triceps and core strength, they can't give you everything you need to be strong and fit. Strive for balance by also incorporating upper body pulling exercises, pull-ups, rows, and lower body exercises, squats, deadlifts, into your workout routine. Summary. Doing daily push-ups can help build muscle tone and strength in the upper body. Other potential benefits include improved cardiovascular health and better support around the shoulder joints. However, practicing push-ups every day does come with some risks. These include lower back pain, wrist pain, and elbow injury. People can reduce these risks by learning the proper technique for the push-up variations they want to incorporate.